Okay, so let us resume that after the uh, internet issue. So what I was trying to tell you here that so if you can see here that we are able to return false.
Yes.
Okay, so we need to check with more. Let me copy actually the. Let's see here. I get these two strings here and see if these two works. Can you see that?
Yes.
So it means that we are able to find a way.
Uh-huh.
We are able to find a way here that we can make sure that characters from both sides exist. So it returns true here, right?
Yes.
Okay. I am sure that there is a way to perfect this solution, and there might be something that is not perfect here, but at least it works somehow.
Yes. Yeah.
So okay, yeah. So somehow now
Uh-huh.
it works, and I want to understand from you. Do you fully understand what we have done here?
I do. It's
It,
just that I sh like this type of stuff, it is pretty simple. I should just know it. It's just sometimes the
this is
like
not simple. No, sorry.
no.
I'm telling you that no, that's not simple. That's not simple because the difficulty level of that is actually is quite high. It's not, you know. I mean, I know.
Uh-huh.
I yes, it is. It looks simple, but
Yes. Because like I agree the creating the functions based off a problem isn't easy at all.
somehow yes, it needs some training. It's like
Yes.
it's like a math skill that you have to build.
Exactly. Exactly. So I
So
was one
don't look so bad that oh you are not able to find this. No, I think no. This is difficult.
yes.
I choose that. I choose things that got ideas. If I give you a simple thing, then
Yeah.
there's no point. There's no training, right?
Exactly. Yeah.
And
No,
you
this how I got my like brain working too.
okay. And also you have to remember one thing. You already told me a solution that we can use very fast. Sorted.
Yes.
So what I want to say, uh, because in the exam, sometimes they will
Yes.
ask you not to use certain functions.
Exactly. Yeah.
Okay,
They do say that. Yes.
and also sometimes a certain function at certain times might not be available on all compilers if you are doing something for the hardware,
Uh-huh.
and then they have some limitations. They will tell you, oh okay, our processor cannot really support this kind of heavy sorted stuff, or heavy functions like sorted, and so this is not available. So you have to find a solution using the basic stuff like what we are doing here without
Yes.
using ready-made functions. Sometimes this is
That
the
makes sense.
conditions.
Hmm.
Okay, so
Yes.
but again, you managed to find an easy solution, so we cannot deny that. Okay,
Yeah.
okay, yeah, that's good and perfect. So now let us move to the important stuff.
Uh-huh.
um the important stuff is the trick that you showed to me in the, is it a lab or an assignment?
So, um, the homework that I sent you last week, that's due this upcoming Monday, and then there's also a lab. So I was thinking that on Sunday we could do another session, and by that time I should have code written, and then we can look at it then too.
Yes, definitely.
Okay.
So
So
what
now
do
I
you
was
want to
wondering,
look now? Yeah.
based like if you have like any like session, or if you could run through those as well, and then I can see if I have any questions off of that.
So okay, actually, let me share with you what I see that the most difficult stuff that
Because
you
we spoke about last time we spoke about the G number.
yes, exactly. Do you
Yes.
have any question regarding the G number?
No, because you explained that to me, so we got that part through.
Okay. And did you finish the remaining of the class at that time? Or I mean, or no, not yet.
No, not yet. I had to do other. I had an exam for different class.
Okay. So
Yes.
would you
Okay.
like me
So,
to discuss something related to the previous class or the current one?
so were you able to see the PDF that I sent you? Hold up. Give
Yes,
me.
yes, yes, of course.
Okay, let me see. I think I had a question
But
based on that.